All right, so Addie's taking a bath, because you know, the whole naked baby. Am I? There we go. I think I'm connected. I've got my earbuds in. I've got. You can't talk to the guys while you're in the back. Addie want guys. Addie want guys. She loves being a YouTuber, y'all. I love it. We got our first dance video coming at you this evening. Well, if you saw, I uploaded our first dance video a year ago. So I'm very excited. She's just a little dancing Pikachu. But the whole reason we've been naked baby potty training is because as soon as I put clothes on her, she pees. So, oh shoot, that's her milk. Anyway, so try it. All right, I think we're good. Anyway, oh, except yeah, Tupac in my head so that I can bring you guys with the entertainment. Anyway, if you've been here, you know that I have been. My hair is a frizzy mess. It's humid out there. Oh my gosh. What? You turn the shower on? You want to turn it off? Move, Coco. Turn the water off. You don't need all that water. It is humid. And if you are in the South, please stay hydrated and out the sun. We've got 90s and feels like 115 in some places. So it's super, super hot. Stepped outside for like a minute with sweating and no thank you. I'll just stay inside and work on preparing for our move. And you know, regular mom stuff. I have been struggling with my phone storage. I just got this phone in May, but apparently it does not have the capabilities that I need to be a YouTuber. So I deleted everything. Everything's uploaded to the iCloud, but I deleted everything off of my phone. It's like 7,000 things because for whatever reason, I guess I just thought once it was uploaded to the cloud that it was gone off my phone, but I never deleted it. So I had like 7,000 things on my phone that I deleted. I have hella storage now, so we will be able to do more videos. We will be able to do, my phone now has the capabilities that I need in order to make my YouTube videos. So, yay. We are, this is all me, my protein. 33 servings. And each serving has 5, and it's about 16 pieces. Yeah. I can say I probably had a serving a day. It was so good. I've had them a couple weeks. I definitely just shot a cashew out my mouth. Telling you, hotel living, where you gotta pay for the water, or extra for the water, or extra for the electric. I let them bathe. Shit. Honestly, I think this is perfect for right now. The kids are learning so much more. Potty training's going great. We're close. You know what I mean? I like the I think it's from a song where it says love grows bigger in small houses, you know? Maybe close quarters, but we're a close family. And I like it like that. So eventually we will get our RV and do our travels and stuff. We've got obviously some things to take care of. First step is coming up. Well, next step, not the first step, right? The first step was figuring it all out. What, baby?